Are you seeing restricted? You cannot use TikTok because it's restricted error in TikTok on your iPhone while trying to open the TikTok app? Well, look no further. In this advanced tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove this restriction on your TikTok account. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off TikTok screen time. First, open up the TikTok app. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Next, tap on the three lines from the top. Now tap Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down. Here you will find the Screen Time option. Tap on it. Then tap on Daily Screen Time. Here you will find the Screen Time Limit toggle. Make sure to toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn off restriction. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down again. Tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Now, simply toggle it off. If still you have the same problem, then follow my next solution. Turn off Downtime. Go to Settings app again. Then scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Next, tap Downtime. Now tap Turn off Downtime. Now go back and open the TikTok app and check whether it is restricted or not. Hope it works. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.